ka pa lang, di ba? And of course, kita amin nagaji answers da, hanga di bas check. So, yeah, makita di devotion. Ipan mo nga, madalas iyawid mo pa eh.
Yeah.
Sa iyawid mo pa di trabaho. That's beyond 8 hours of working. And
That's
then,
why teaching profession really overpaid.
it's not
Underpaid.
underpaid. Yes, paid. So, yeah, malpas jagat, continuous nga, i-upgrade mo the skills mo.
Yes.
Of course, whatever subject you're teaching, kanayon nga, dati baro nga discovery or studies.
Yeah.
Still gayon na disprove di kasto nga theory. So, nga dati nga theory ti baro nga surut. It's that. And then, of course, you're assimilating or integrating your own perspective. Karkaroon di kinyami, syempre, as you